Hello friends, welcomes you Score 100 the complete success, a free competitive exam preparation channel. Subscribe for free videos. दोस्तों हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए लाल बटन को दबाएं, साथ ही घंटी के बटन को जरूर दबाएं जिससे आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। शेयर करें अपने दोस्तों को व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, ब्लॉगर इत्यादि पर। एक लाइक ज़रूर करें। वीडियो पसंद आए तो कमेंट्स या सजेशन हमें प्लीज़ 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 ज़रूर भेजें। थैंक यू। Candidates should answer the questions from the following parts only if they have opted for English as language first. परीक्षार्थी निम्नलिखित भाग के प्रश्नों के उत्तर केवल तभी दें यदि उन्होंने भाषा 1 का विकल्प अंग्रेजी चुना हो। In this video we have choose the solution of all questions in language first English CTET paper 2 February 2015. Let's see. वीडियो में CTET पेपर 2 फरवरी 2015 में पूछे गए अंग्रेजी के सभी प्रश्नों का संपूर्ण हल हम आपको इस वीडियो में दिखा रहे हैं। शुरू से आखिर तक वीडियो को देखते रहिए। आगामी CTET की परीक्षाओं में या अन्य परीक्षाओं में यह वीडियो बहुत ही लाभदायक सिद्ध हो सकती है। पार्ट 4 लैंग्वेज फर्स्ट इंग्लिश। डायरेक्शंस: रीड द passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 91 to 99 by selecting most appropriate options. The real indictment against colonialism was to be found in the villages of India. There was a rot at the top too in the thousands of young intellectuals trained in English schools for jobs that did not exist except in the limited civil services. The towns and the cities were frothing with unhappy young men, cultured and well educated, who could find no jobs and were not allowed by the old superstructure of empire to create them. But the real proof of evil, I say again, was in the miserable villages. I thought I had seen poverty in China, yet then I saw the Indian villages. I knew that the China peasant was rich in comparison. Only the Russian peasant I had seen years before could compare with the Indian villagers, although that Russian was a very different creature and inferior in many ways. And the little children of the Indian villages, how they tore at my heart, thin, big, bleed, and all with hug dark eyes. I wondered that any Englishman could look at them and not excuse himself. 300 years of English occupation and rule, and could there be children like this? Yes, and millions of them. And a final indictment surely was that the life span in India was only 27 years. 27 years, no wonder then that a man married very young so that there could be children as many as possible before he died. I loved England, remembering all the unhappy journey there, but in India I saw, and England I did not know. Question number 91. During the colonial rules, the villages suffered because there was or what? The right answer is option number 3. Not enough food for the children. Question number 92. Even the city people were not happy because right answer is option number 1, because there were not enough jobs for all. Question number 93. However, the cities were better off than the villages because. Right answer is option number 2, because the children at least were not hungry. Question number 94. Which one of the following is true? Right answer is option number 3. The Chinese peasants were better off than the Russian peasant. Question number 94. The writer believes that N or A should feel sorry at the sight of these poor children. Right answer is option number 4. Englishman. Question number 96. The English rule made India. Right answer is option number 4. Economically poor. Right answer is 4. Economically poor. Question number 97. The average life of an Indian during the British rule was 27 years. The result was that. Right answer is option number 1. Indians married. Indians married young. Question number 98. The towns and the cities were frothing with unhappy young men. The underlined phrase means. Right answer is option number 2. Full of. Question number 99. The final indictment was inevitable. What does the underlined word mean? Right answer is option number 3. Accusation. Directions. Read the given poem and answer the questions that follow. Question number 100 to 105, the most appropriate options. I want to be with people who submerged in the task, who go into the field of harvest and work in a row and pass the bags along, who were not parlor guard general generals and field deserters but move in common rhythm. 6. When the food must come in or the fire be put out, the work of the world is common as mud. Botched it, smear the hands, crumbles to dust. 9. But the things worth doing well done has a shape that satisfies, clean and evident. Greek amphors for wine and oil. 12. The hoppy vases that held corn and put in museums, but you know that were made to be used. The pitcher cries for water to carry. 15. And the person for work that is real. Question number 100. The poet seems to admire. Right answer is option number 4. Farm workers. Question number 101. What is common between parlor journals and field deserters? Right answer is option number 3. Neither of them fights. Question number 102. What happens when work with mud gets botched? Right answer is option number 2. Hands get dirty. Question number 103. The figure of speech used in lines 12 to 14 is. The right answer is option number 3. Irony. Question number 104. Mud in hands of good craftsman becomes. Right answer is option number 1. Useful articles. Question number 105. Amphors, verses and pictures was are metaphors. Amphorous, vases and pictures are metaphors for Right answer is option number 1. Useful human labor. Directions: answer the following questions by selecting the most appropriate options. Question number 106. Anshu is teaching English class, English 2 class 4th, 6th. Anshu is teaching English to class 6th students and her class seems to be noisy. She is probably, right answer is option number 3. She is probably having group work. Question number 107. A method. A method is a body dash that a teacher adopts in the teaching learning process. Right answer is option number 1. Techniques. Question number 108. One of the objectives of teaching vocabulary is not to. Right answer is option number 2. Enable learners to use the dictionary. One of the objectives of teaching vocabulary is not to enable learners to use the dictionary. It is wrong. The right answer is option number 2. While be able to use words in different contexts, understand the meaning of words, develop active and passive vocabulary. Question number 109. A passage explaining a place in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind is called. Right answer is option number 3. Descriptive. Descriptive. Question number 110. While selecting a reading text for you, students, which of the following is least important? Right answer is option number 3. The language of the text comprehensible to the learner. Question number 111. Giving effective feedback to the learners means. Right answer is option number 2. Giving appropriate time and space for corrections. Right answer is option number 1. Diagnosing problems and guiding the learners on how to improve. Question number 112. Which one of the following recommended the three language formula? Right answer is option number 3. Kothari Commission 1966. Question number 113. Which one of the following should a teacher not use while initiating the process writing approach? The right answer is option number 4. Dictating notes. Question number 114. Which one? Point out the figures of speech used in the sentence given below. The moon smiled at the stars around her. Right answer is option number 3. Personification. Figure of speech in this line is personification. Question number 115. Active vocabulary consists of what? Which? Right answer is option number 1. We use frequently in our daily life. Question number 116. A purposeful collection of students' works that demonstrate their efforts, progress, and achievements in a given area is called an A. Right answer is option number 4. Portfolio. It is called portfolio. Question number 117. Every class is a mixed ability class. So while dividing the students into different groups for a language activity, a teacher should. Right answer is option number 2. Arrange groups differently for different kinds of activities. Question number 118. A constructivist approach. Constructivist approach to learning does not emphasize. The right answer is option number 4. Teaching as the transmission of knowledge from one from the enlightened to the unenlightened, from the enlightened to the unenlightened. Question number 119. A learner-centered class should not be one where. Right answer is option number 1. The learners should do the given exercise silently, as silence is better for learning to occur. Question number 120. Summative assessment is option number 4. Assessment of learning. Summative assessment is assessment of learning. सीटेट पेपर सेकेंड फरवरी 2015, अंग्रेजी सेकेंड, इंग्लिश सभी एग्जाम्स में महत्वपूर्ण है। यह कैंडिडेट शुड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पार्ट्स ओनली इफ दे हैव ऑप्टेड फॉर द इंग्लिश एज लैंग्वेज। सेकेंड, परीक्षार्थी निम्नलिखित भाग के प्रश्नों का उत्तर केवल तभी दें यदि उन्होंने भाषा सेकेंड का विकल्प अंग्रेजी चुना हो। बढ़ते हैं प्रश्नों की तरफ। पार्ट 5, लैंग्वेज सेकेंड, इंग्लिश। डायरेक्शंस: read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 121 to 129 by selecting most appropriate options. The nation is proud of its scientists and scholars, though of course many of them would reply that they doubt whether the nation them at all. When asked why many of our best and brightest have gone abroad to make a living, they opine that this is because as a nation we have not cared for the talented and meritorious. There is some truth is what they say, however, by and large compared to the situations before independence, government assistance has provided a tremendous opportunity for higher education. If today Indian scientists, technologists, and the scholars in different fields are respected worldwide, it is because of the education system we have built up. Our excellence is evidenced within the confines of the limited opportunities which are available for research and development in the universities and the national R&D laboratories. We believe and appeal that the scientists and researchers and scholars should set their pessimism. There are many reasons for it. We know that the problems they face, especially the younger ones and also those who are not in positions of power in these situations, the so-called middle levels and lower levels. We appeal to these people to think big because they are the only ones who understand the force of technological modernization and the new energies that can be unleashed through technologies. They also have the capability to absorb the knowledge base which is growing at an explosive rate. Question number 121. What is the ironic about our pride in our scientists? The right answer is option number 1. They go abroad to make a living. Question number 122. What happens to our best scientists? Right answer is option number 4. They don't get respectable jobs here. Question number 123. After independence, how has the situation changed in India? Right answer is option number 4. Our system of higher education has improved a lot. Question number 124. Our scientists have proved to be excellent even if option number 3 is right answer, if we offer them limited opportunities. Question number 125. the writer wants our scientists to? The right answer is option number 2. Be optimistic in their attitude. Question number 126. Which one of the following is true? And right answer is option number 1. Our scientists are respected all over the world. Question number 127. The writer makes an appeal to. Right answer is option number 2. Both the middle and lower level scientists. Question number 128. The phrase at an explosive rate means. Right answer is option number 3. At a great speed. Question number 129. The word opposite in meaning to unleashed is. Right answer is option number 1. Controlled. Unleashed opposite is controlled. Directions. Read the passage given below and answer the questions that follow. Question number 130 to 135 by selecting most appropriate options. My heart grieved when I read the other day a news item that more than two-thirds of the elderly are being ignored in their twilight years. They are isolated by their own children and are experiencing loneliness in their present lives. Most of them say that they are not being respected or given good treatment by their family or society, and they are being discriminated against their old age. Majority of the elderly attitude attributed their loneliness to no or little interactions with family members, with fast changing socio-economic scenario, growing nuclear family and changing value systems. The needs of the elderly have also changed. The most common problem that the elderly face are marginalization, lack of love and affection from their loved ones, little or no access to medicines and healthcare, finding it difficult to secure their life and property. They have no work opportunities, as a result of which they face financial problems. They suffer from restricted mobility and have psychological problems on account of loneliness. To improve the situations for the elderly, the government of India may consider the enacting a law like many other countries have to make it compulsory for children to maintain and look after their parents, and also establish the National Commission for Elderly Persons. At the same time, the fact remains that the real compulsion has to come out of the bonds of affection between the parents and children. We would not be wrong in saying that in India the joint family system has made a powerful contribution in cementing the bonds of affection between the old and the young. Question number 130. The twilight years are when one is. The right answer is option number 2. Old. Question number 131. The elderly do not feel. The elderly do not feel. The right answer is option number 1. Respected. Question number 132. What the elderly do not lack. The right answer is option number 2. Answer number 2 is loneliness in their lives. Question number 133. The only can keep the old united with the family. The right answer is option number 3. Joint family system. Question number 134. Which one of the following is false? Right answer is option number 4. The most old age are financially secure. It is wrong or false. While the old love to live in extended families, the old are not very mobile. One's needs change when one gets old. All these are true. While the most of old age are financially secure, this is false. Question number 135. Which word in the passage means the same as saddened? As saddened. The right answer is option number 3, grieved. Saddened, exact meaning is grieved. Directions: answer the following question by selecting the most appropriate option. Question number 136. 4. Process writing. Which one of the following point should be followed? The right answer is option number 3. Logical sequence is correct answer. Question number 137. Problems of spelling error of the students can be easily solved through. The right answer is option number 2. Dictation. By dictation. The problem of spelling errors of students can be. Question number 138. Dash is a prerequisite to learning language. The right answer is option number 1. Motivation. Question number 139. Cognitive code approach focus more dash. And right answer is option number 3. Grammar rules. A cognitive code approach focus more grammar rules. Question number 140. According to which one of the following linguist language cannot be substandard, may be non-standard? Option number 1 is the right answer. William Labov. William Labov. Question number 141. Which one of the following is not a language component? Right answer is option number 2. Script is not a component of language, while structure, vocabulary, sound are the component of language. Question number 142. Decoding stands for. Decoding stands for. The right answer is option number 1. Deciphering the sounds in words and sentence. Question number 143. In order to improve the learner's punctuation, a teacher first need to. The right answer is option number 1. Use recorded models of sound. Question number 144. Intensive reading stands for. Intensive reading stands for. The right answer is option number 3. Reading the text in part 4 details is the right answer. Question number 145. Scanning is a reading activity which helps the learners to dash from or of the text. The right answer is option number 1. Draw out information. Question number 146. A good listener is. A good listener can. The right answer is option number 1. Correctly respond to the every question asked. Question number 147. Constructivist approach to language learning promotes. The right answer is option number 1. A child-centered approach. Constructivist approach to language learning promotes a child-centered approach. Question number dash is the father of modern linguistics. The right answer is option number 4. Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure is the father of modern linguistics. Question number 149. A phoneme is a phoneme is a. Right answer is option number 4. Single sound unit. A phoneme is a single sound unit. Question number 150. In order to have language proficiency, which one is not essentially required? The right answer is option number 1. Efficiency. Efficiency is not essential required for the language proficiency. दोस्तों आशा करते हैं कि ये सभी क्वेश्चन आगामी परीक्षाओं में, चाहे वो सीटेट हो या सीटेट के अलावा कोई अन्य कॉम्पिटिटिव परीक्षा हो, उसमें निश्चित रूप से ये आपके महत्व की प्रश्न साबित हो सकते हैं और आपको सफलता दिलाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभा सकते हैं। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, चाहे घंटी के बटन को दबा दें जिससे नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। साथ ही वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें अपने मित्रों में, दोस्तों में, जिससे उन्हें भी इस वीडियो के द्वारा सफलता मिल सके। धन्यवाद दोस्तों वीडियो को देखने के लिए। प्रश्न नंबर 147, वाइगोत्स्की ने भाषा विकास के संदर्भ में किस बिंदु पर सबसे अधिक बल दिया है? सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर 1, सामाजिक अंतःक्रिया पर। प्रश्न नंबर 148, हिंदी भाषा की पाठ्य पुस्तक के माध्यम से। सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर 2, भाषा एवं सामाजिक विमर्श को भी बढ़ावा मिलता है। भाषा एवं सामाजिक विमर्श को भी बढ़ावा मिलता है। प्रश्न नंबर 149, सामाजिक व्यवहार के डैश व सांस्कृतिक पैटर्न नमूने अवचेतन स्तर पर ग्रहण किए जाते हैं। सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, भाषिक। प्रश्न नंबर 150, प्रत्येक भाषा की पृष्ठभूमि में अवस्थित भाषिक व्यवस्था ही डैश और कार्यक्रम को गढ़ती है तथा व्यक्ति के मानसिक क्रियाकलाप के लिए निर्देशन का कार्य करती है। सही उत्तर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, धारणाओं को। ये आज की वीडियो का अंतिम प्रश्न था। आशा करते हैं सभी प्रश्न आगामी परीक्षाओं में महत्वपूर्ण साबित होंगे। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक ज़रूर कर दें, साथ ही वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर करें अपने दोस्तों में, व्हाट्सएप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम इत्यादि पर। अगर दोस्तों अगर अभी आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हमारे चैनल को, सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें, साथ ही घंटी के बटन को ज़रूर दबा दें वीडियो देखने के लिए।